Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video we are going to be testing out the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's Place. And this is the palette. It has no mirror. I don't remember how much it cost, but I'll look that up for you and put it on the screen right up here. So anyways, that's what we're doing. So let's get started. And since I'm wearing a black shirt, I can pretty much go whatever way I want. And I think I'm going to go with these teals right here and the blue. Just because there's a little bit of green in this. I got foundation on this earring, so hopefully it's still shiny. Anyways, this does not have a matte you know, light color. So I'm going to put my Essence eye base on, and then I am going to set it with my Wet n Wild, since there's not a good one to set it with in there. I've never tried a Juvia's Place palette. So since they came out with that new foundation and we're trying that, I thought, what the heck, let's just try one of their palettes. Nikki Tutorials loves Juvia's Place palettes. Of course, she's a lot younger than me too. Anyways, let's just go in and start. So I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Creme Brulee to just set that real quick so that we get a nice stick-free canvas for our eyeshadow look. I need to go turn my phone off. Hold that thought. Okay, so let's go in. Actually, we're going to go in for a transition color. I think we're going to go into this brown guy here. So we're going to go into, oh, they have names. Can't see them very well. Zobo. No. Burkina. It's Burkina right there, that brown one. And that's going to be our transition color. Yeah, that works. So we're just going to work this in. Bring it down across here. Anyway, let's go on into this pretty turquoisey color right here. Actually, yeah, we'll put that in the middle. Let's see, do we want to use this brush? I think we're going to use this brush. This is my E45, I think. Yes, my Sigma E45, and I'm going into this color right here. And I'm just going to put this across the lid, I believe. Or across the middle of it anyways. I can't see it at all. Maybe it's just got a coating on the top of it here. Let's get down in there a little bit further. Oh yeah, that was it. Ooh, that's pretty. Now I'm going to go in with, I think with that same brush, just clean it off a bit. And I'm going to go into this darker brown that is Fulton. No, Fulani or something like that. I can't read it. They wrote them on yellow with white, so it's not just me. Fulani, F-U-L-A-N-I, and it is this one right here in the corner. And I'm going to put that in the outer corner and in the crease. I like this. Now I'm going to take this color right here, which is called Giza, G-I-Z-A. And I am just going to put it right in the inner corner. I mean, you know what I mean. That didn't work. Oh, that's pretty. And I think that's all I'm going to do with the shadows. You can take a little up here. Not much. Now I'm going to, I was going to go off camera and do my liner and lashes, but instead of going off camera, I am just going to do it in fast motion so that you guys can see what I do, but it won't take as long. So that's what I'll do. Okay, this is the final look of the day. I'll have everything I used listed below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. And I forgot to tell you, I like this eyeshadow. I'm giving it a thumbs up for sure. When I first started with the first one, I thought, it's kind of patchy, but it wasn't. It was just my old eyes. Anyways, it looks great. It's buttery, it's beautiful, there's lots of pigment. I like it. I'm giving it a thumbs up. So, that's the end of this video, and I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!